Hey guys, welcome to my another new video. Today I am gonna discuss about how to create a virtual data room. So let's get started. Creating a virtual data room involves several key steps to ensure a secure and efficient platform for storing and sharing confidential documents. First, research reputable virtual data room providers that align with your organization's needs. Compare features, security measures, user interface, customer support, and pricing before making a selection. Next, sign up for an account and follow the provider's instructions to set up your virtual data room. This typically involves creating a unique URL or domain and configuring access, controls, and user permissions. Once the setup is complete, you can start uploading your confidential documents to the data room. Ensure proper organization and labeling for easy navigation and searchability. To enhance security, implement robust measures offered by the virtual data room provider. This may include data encryption, watermarks, digital right management, and granular user permissions. Define user roles and permissions to control access and limit functionalities based on individual responsibilities. This ensures that only authorized users can view, edit, download, or upload documents. If collaboration is required, active the platform's collaboration features such as document annotations, comments, and notifications. Before granting access, conduct testing and provide training sessions to familiarize users with the virtual data room interface, security features, and collaboration tools. Communicate access instructions, including login, credential to authorized users, and provide clear guidelines on protocols to maintain security and confidentiality. Monitor user activity, document updates, and access logs regularly to ensure data integrity and security. Make necessary adjustment to user permissions, add or remove user, and perform routine maintenance tasks as needed. By following these steps, you can create a virtual data room that meets your organization's requirements, providing a secure and efficient solution for storing and sharing confidential documents. Thank you for being with me.